इंसान ही नहीं समझते। अपने शाहजहां को बचाने के लिए टीएमसी के लोग संदेश खाली की बहनों को ही दोषी ठहरा रहे हैं, उनके चरित्र पर सवाल उठा रहे हैं। जैसी भाषा ये लोग उनके लिए बोल रहे हैं, इसका जवाब बंगाल की हर बेटी अपने वोट से टीएमसी को तबाह कर देगी।
Now, the Prime Minister did not just stop there. He also hit out at the Trinamool Congress for indulging in scam over recruitment of teachers. Giving another guarantee, the Prime Minister said that his government will put the corrupt behind the bars as soon as it forms the government at the centre after winning the Lok Sabha elections.
अब मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं ये भ्रष्टाचारियों का जीना जेल के बाहर रहने नहीं दूंगा। आपके लूटने वालों पर चोट होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए। मोदी आज आपको एक और गारंटी दे रहा है। 4 जून के बाद नई सरकार बनते ही ऐसे हर भ्रष्टाचारी उनकी जिंदगी जेलों में ही बीतेगी।
Right. Also, the Prime Minister criticized West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's comments about the Ramakrishna Mission and Bharata Sevashram Sangha, saying that these social religious organizations are being threatened to appease her vote bank. At this rally in Purulia that we're talking about, the Prime Minister said that the TMC has gone too far by spreading false information about ISKCON, Ramakrishna Mission and also the Bharat Sevashram Sangha. Listen in.
यहाँ की मुख्यमंत्री मुस्लिम कट्टरपंथियों के दबाव में वोट पाने के लिए हमारे संतों को, हमारे महान संगठनों को सार्वजनिक रूप से गालियां दे रही है।
Now, this is the Prime Minister talking about Mamata Banerjee attacking her for disrespecting monks in West Bengal. Just to give you a context of what exactly the Prime Minister is referring to, this is in connection to Mamata Banerjee's reaction. In fact, during her election rally in Gogat under the Arambagh Lok Sabha constituency on May 18, which is yesterday, Mamata Banerjee had claimed that some monks of the Ramakrishna Mission and also the Bharat Sevashram Sangha are influenced by BJP leaders in Delhi. Listen in.
আমি শুনেছি অনেক দিন ধরে কার্তিক মহারাজ ভারত সেবা সংঘকে আমি খুব শ্রদ্ধা করতাম। আমার শ্রদ্ধার্ঘের একটা তালিকায় তারা অনেক দিন ধরে আছে। কিন্তু যে লোকটা বলে আমি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে এজেন্ট বসতে দেব না, সে লোকটাকে আমি সাধু বলে মনে করি না। তার কারণ তিনি ডাইরেক্ট পলিটিক্স করে দেশটা সর্বনাশ করছেন। দিল্লি থেকে নির্দেশ আসে, বলে বিজেপিকে ভোট দেওয়ার জন্য বলো। কেন করবে সাধু সন্তরা এই কাজ?
My colleague Shreya joins us on the broadcast from Bengal to get us more details on this. Shreya, we just played out the reaction of the Prime Minister and also what Mamata Banerjee originally said. Now, is Mamata Banerjee here trying to say that any saint or monk that opposes the TMC is not a saint? Is that the new characterization that is being put out?
You know, of course, in the state of West Bengal, we see Chief Minister versus Prime Minister. Remember, yesterday, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have said that some monks, some Maharajas in Bharat Sevashram, she also names ISKCON and Ramakrishna Mission, says that they're being influenced by the BJP party. They're getting instructions from Delhi and they're creating hindrance for the TMC party. She goes on to say that she have done a lot of work for these missions, especially during the left rule in West Bengal. She in fact says that not all monks or Maharajas are influenced, but there are some who are influenced and they are creating hindrance. This is what Chief Minister have said yesterday. Today we see Prime Minister taking offense in Chief Minister's statement, saying that Mamata Banerjee is threatening these monks openly from an open munch, says that this is a culture of the TMC party, says that this is vote bank politics. She is doing so only, to satisfy her definite vote bank. So, of course, we see when it comes to state of West Bengal, there is a controversy breaking out between the Chief Minister of the state and also the Prime Minister regarding her address to the Ramakrishna Mission and Bharat Sebashram.
Right, Shreya. Also, a quick follow-up question on that. A lot is being said about the corruption and also women's safety issue in Bengal. Just if you can just quickly help us understand the BJP's new poll strategy now, because they're sticking on to the women's safety issue from Sandesh Kali, but also they seem to be attacking the TMC over corruption as well.
Of course, this has been the strategy of BJP party in Bengal since day one after the election has been declared. They have been attacking TMC continuously on Chandeshkali issue and also on line of corruption. Today also Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly says from Purulia that after June 4th, when the new government is formed, I will make sure that no Bhrashtachari is out of jail. Everybody will be put behind bars. He also gives reference of the teacher recruitment scam, says that in a land where Ma Saraswati, who is the goddess of education, she is being prayed to. This is the land where, scams related to education happens. This is what Prime Minister says. So clearly it is very, visible that BJP's focus in West Bengal is on the recruitment scam, the scam tents on the TMC party. He also goes on to address the Chandeshkali issue. He says that now TMC is saying a lot of things about the character of the mothers and sisters of Chandeshkali, says that they will give a befitting reply to the TMC party by casting their vote in favor of BJP.
Absolutely, Shreya. Lots happening right now with the Prime Minister visiting Bengal. Do stay on with us as we also have a breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast.